think the surface is real good. I'm gonna glue some carpet to them. I'm going to clamp it. I mark where the metal is under the carpet, and I'm gonna cut it about 3/16 of inch wider. I cut them and fit them in. That glue is super good. It was hard to peel this carpet off over here. One thing, if you worry about it, you could sew it over here on the areas where the carpet meet and in the hole. This way it will never come off. But this glue, it could handle high temperature. I think it show 370 Fahrenheit. There's some area I have to cut it to the bare metal over here because it will drag, and back here. I fit it in before and I'm ready to assemble it. But this how this one will go. It's hard to do it with one hand, and then it's very smooth, no dragging. This worked out pretty good for the carpet. It does seal way better. I saw some online, they use aluminum tape. I bought it, but it's not gonna seal right because it needs to be extended a little bit beyond the metal, and it's gonna leak a lot of air. This, it will leak little air, but not much. I fitted these, they operate perfectly. We cut the carpet with cutter, square between the mark points. This carpet over here, I have it left over from the boat when I did my boat. I did it about 3 years ago. It's set in the sun, water, sand, and it's still good on the boat. So I figure this will be superior for this project, better than foam. And I try to hit it with the air dryer, and didn't burn it or anything. So I think it will handle the temperature, the high temperature from the heater core, which I figure it's going to be around 150, 160 Fahrenheit. The adhesive I use is the 3M from Home Depot. It's about 13 bucks a can, and I just spray it on both surfaces, wait for about 3 minutes, and then glue it together and clamp it overnight.